Hello student, in this lecture we are going to calculate some short questions. One short question of 3 marks asked in board examination from this chapter. So the first method is selected, interest on drawings. Students, when partner withdraw amount from partnership firm, then partnership firm charge interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is calculated according to time consumption. So when the partner withdraw identical amount at the beginning of each month, then interest on drawing is to be calculated for 78 by 12. How to get 78 by 12? Suppose partner withdraw identical amount at the beginning of each month. So first drawing consumption of 12 months. Next drawing consumption of 11 month, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total month are 78. So at the beginning of each month 78. Sometime partner withdraw identical amount at the end of each month. Then you have to take 66 months. How to get 66 months? Suppose partner withdraw identical amount at the end, means first month is end. So first drawing consume 11 months. Consumption of first drawing 11 month, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Last month no consumption, 0. So 66. Sometime partner withdraw identical amount at the 15th day, middle of the month, 15th day or 16th day of month. In that case, interest on drawing calculate for 72 months, because first drawing consume 11.5 months, second drawing consume 10.5, 9.5, 8.5, 7.5, and finally total 72. Right? So this information given just for your knowledge, for your clarification of concept. In examination you are clearly given that beginning of every month or at the end of every month or 15th day of every month. Then you have to remember number of months. Beginning 78, ending 66, and middle of the month 72. Let us take a practical example of interest on drawing, which is given on page number 30, exercise 3.1. So students, first of all open your textbook and see page number 30. First open your textbook. Okay, here the question is, a partner withdraw identical amount at the end of each month. End. So how many months is to be taken at the end of each month? 66. At the end of the year, total annual drawing is given 12,000. Remember that total annual drawing is 12,000, but while calculating interest on drawing, P means principal amount, monthly drawing. P is equal to monthly drawing, R is equal to rate of interest, and N is equal to number of months. So here P means principal amount, and it is not 12,000. 12,000 divided by 12, that is 1,000. Interest is charged on drawing, determine the amount of interest on drawing. So I is equal to, I means interest is equal to PRN, where P is equal to 12,000 divided by 12, 1,000 PF means per month. Monthly drawing is required. R means rate of interest. So here rate of interest is 12%, and N means number of months. How many months to be taken when partner withdraw at the end of every month? And means 66. So 66 by 12. So P is equal to 1000 into 12 into 66 divided by 100 into 12. 12 cancel, 100 cancel. So your answer is 660. So interest on drawing rupees 660. Can you understand? Let us take another example of our textbook, which is given on page number 14, illustration 1. Page number 14, illustration 1. Open page number 14, illustration 1. Okay. In this illustration, you are given that Hiral withdraw rupees 500 in the beginning of every month. Students, 500 monthly drawing, and it is beginning of every month. If 10% per annum interest is chargeable on drawing, determine annual drawing and interest on drawing. Two questions asked in the example. No worry, annual drawing means monthly drawing multiplied by 12 because 12 months of the year. So your first point is very simple, annual drawings. Annual drawing is equal to 500 per month drawing multiplied by 12. So what is your annual drawing? 6,000. Extra question. And the main question is interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, I is equal to PRN upon 100. What is P? P means monthly drawing. Monthly drawing is clearly given in the example 500. The rate of interest is given 10%. So 10 and number of months. Beginning. So 78 by 12. 78 by 12. 100 into 12. Here 0 cancel. 50 into 78 divided by 12. So final simplification 325. So what is your answer? Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing rupees 325. So I understand. 2 point, remember that if the partner withdraw identical amount at the beginning of every month, then you have to take 78 by 12 and end of the year every month 66. Another point noted that P is equal to monthly drawing. Sometimes annual drawing is given in the example, so it is divided by 12. And in this question, monthly drawings are given. So do not divide it by 12. Monthly drawing directly taken 500. Understand? Okay.